Hi everyone, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel today. On today's video, we are going to be cutting a crop top and these are the measurements needed. So let's proceed. Go ahead and mark out your desired length for your crop top. I use 11 inches plus half seam allowance for mine. Then let's mark that out. After I'm done, for that part, I'm going to be placing my waist measurement divided by 2. And that's our chest line, your exact chest measurement on your folded fabric. Mine is 11, so on my folded fabric I chalked out 11 as well. Join the line together like so, and then the next thing for us is to cut it out. Cut out the exact shape on your fabric again, and that is to already place it on each other. Right side facing each other like this. Take it to your sewing machine and sew half an inch round. And leave about 1.5 for the turning out when you're done sewing. Moving forward, I go ahead to cut out my stripe 1 inches width and 120 inches long. And that is it. Go ahead to your sewing machine and fold your stripe like this, the way I'm showing you in the video. You might as well join it together first before sewing it. This is my after I've torn it out and I iron it, is looking nice and neat. Then this is me creating my hole that I'm going to be putting the stripe in. Just watch how I create mine and you're going to get it. To a quarter of an inch, that's what I'm showing you. And that is it. For the other down part, we are going to be doing the same thing also. One 1.5 upward. Mark it all around like this. And three quarter of an inch for the upper side. Go ahead and sew on the marked line. And this is after I'm done with mine. In order to pass your stripe, you are going to be opening that side. For the 4 sides, you are going to be doing that. Open it like so. This is my stripe and I want you to watch closely how I pass the stripe in that hole. This will enable us to gather our fabric together and make it look smoky at that down part and the upper part. Just watch closely and see how I did mine. It's very easy to get. That's my stripe. Make it equal with each other. Just like that. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Just press that subscribe button. That is where that is where you're going to be putting your hand. That's the upper part. At the end of the stripe, just put your safety pin like that and pass it like that. The other end will come out at that side. For this particular part, you know it's two stripes that is entering one hole, so make sure you take your time doing it. So we are done. Be ready to rock your crop top. Adjust the stripe after I put it on to fit better. That is when you are going to get the fitness. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.